Hello kids, today we'll learn 11 letter words. Bodybuilder, Bodybuilder, bodybuilder. Firefighter, Firefighter, firefighter. Cauliflower, Cauliflower, cauliflower. Bullockart, Bullockcart, bullockart. Cement mixer, Cementmixer, cement mixer. Caterpillar, Caterpillar, caterpillar. Grasshopper, Grasshopper, grasshopper. Thermometer, Thermometer, thermometer. Grandmother, Grandmother, grandmother. Brotherhood, Brotherhood, brotherhood. Vaccination, Vaccination, vaccination. Heartbroken, Heartbroken, heartbroken. Respiration, Respiration, respiration. Nightingale, Nightngale, nightingale. Electricity, Electricity, electricity. Grandfather, Grandfather, grandfather. Handwriting, Handwriting, handwriting. Carom board, Caromboard, carom board.